guys, welcome back to my channel, and I have a very heavily requested reformat and foil release. I promised I would get it. It took me a little bit longer than I would have liked to get it out, but we are here, and I promised it would be here, and here it is. So I went ahead and reformatted it. Not a lot, but I did reformat it to kind of update it, you know. But I'm just not gonna talk more. We're just gonna get right into it. So here we can see we have the deco. Here we go. The deco is again in that smaller kind of square or rectangle. We have the cutout icons, the normal icons, the flags. We have those bars. These are like quartered round boxes, but a little bit smaller. They're more like appointment label size. And then we have our weekend banner. And then we have the foiled full boxes, and I love them so much. Like, oh yes. Okay, a little cute little thing. I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell. They're in the lights as well, the foil. So, naturally I wanted to put foil. I literally wanted to just splash foil all over this kit. Like, all over it. So, I held back. And I did it what I thought was appropriate. You guys know my foil placement is pretty good. And I try to do my very best. Well, this, I let the flowers stand out, and then we have foil all over the marble. I did the same thing on this one because I felt like I wanted like one box that was almost completely covered in foil. And so that's kind of like this one. And then we have this over the perfume bottle. I originally did it on the shoes, and you lost the shoes, so I did it on the perfume bottle. And then this one, I just put it over the flowers, and then your quote is fully foiled because duh. And then this one I really struggled with. I debated putting it on the greenery, but I'm like, then it kind of like loses it, and then I was like, duh, put it on the marble walkway. So it's almost like a yellow brick road, but not a yellow brick road like at all. But you know what I mean, like it's like a special road, and I went ahead and tried to erase it in between the spokes. There may be some, yeah, you can see there's like a little bit of glitter that got on them, but I wanted to show off the carriage how it is, but still have the road be super romantic. Again, this is the 3-box that you can do like Friday, Saturday, Sunday, but I cut it out so you can use it individually and it still be like appropriate to use individual. And then I put it in the lights. Let's see, there we go. I thought that was like the cutest little touch, was in the lights. I don't know. Again, I overthink things way too much, but I just love it so much. And then we have the same checklist boxes, the same little things with the marble and black. And then this page also changed because this is the new format. However, it's close to the same. I think these may have been marble. I made them the greenery because these are marbled. And then the appointments also had the I don't know if it had the greenery and marble, but I went ahead and made them all that way. And then you still have your bill due here. Oh, I love this so much. And then this is where I threw literally it everywhere. So I was like, I want to throw it on all the boxes. Well, that's not really appropriate. So I went ahead and threw it all over the bottom washi. And I'm sure you guys are okay with that. Again, with your like extended weekend, but also the size of the headers also is foiled, and I did keep it the pattern. I asked if you wanted glitter washi, like glitter headers, and you said no, you like the pattern, so I kept it the pattern. I love this so much. And then the biggest change will have to be the fact that I have a mini kit. I did not have a mini kit in this previously, and you guys love these mini kits. I sell 3 times the amount of mini kits as I do full kits, maybe even more, like a lot. So I of course am going to put it in a mini kit because duh. And I'm a mini kit fan, so I'm with you. It's fine. I am with you. So again, we have the same format as the mini kits have been. I left your colored weekend banner. You still get the amazing full boxes. Oh, it warms my heart so much. You get the same page before the washi. So essentially the only thing that's different in the mini kit is I give you a miniature version of the functional page. And then of course the bottom washi that had the foil throw up all over it, and I am okay with that. Like, I debated doing gold. Okay, so there's gold in this kit. Not much, but I mean, the functional dots in here are gold, but I really felt like with the black and the marble, that silver would just enhance it. It wouldn't, like, gold I felt like took over. Does that make sense? Like, I felt like silver just enhanced the beautifulness of this kit, where the gold kind of took over the kit. I hope that's gonna make sense, because, you know, I think way too much in this stuff. And I did not put out the Sailor Moon kit this week. I thought I was gonna be able to have it printed and prepped, because you guys know I'm pretty much ready to ship, but I did not get it printed and prepped, and I'm really trying to stay true to that. So it will be released next week. It is done. It just was not printed and prepped, and I just have too much stuff going on this weekend to really allocate to put that in production. So I hope you guys understand. It will be available next week. I promise. I will sneak it on Instagram if you guys are so disappointed, but I promise it will be out next week. And then I have another reformat for the following week, which I think you guys are gonna like as well. I'm just saying. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.